You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town in Portugal. It's known for its gigantic waves that surfers like to surf. It's nice to travel to. Portuguese pronunciation first, and then how you can pronounce it in English. Nazaré. Nazaré. Portuguese pronunciation, it's in Portugal. Nazaré. In English, pronounce it as, it's easy, Nazaré. Nazaré. How to pronounce Nazaré from Portuguese. Nazaré. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.